Out the shower, but what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, because we continue to drop content around here consistently, and we try to drop videos every single day. Also, you're brand new, please do me a favor, hit that notification bell. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. And like I said, we try to drop videos around here every day. So stay up to date, hit that notification bell. Also, before we jump into today's video, J&M Sneakers, huge shout out to them, because we got 2 brand new pickups today that I was really hyped to get. I seen pictures of these 4s, man, and you know, I'm an OG lover. I had to pick up these OG 13s. So we're gonna jump right into that, but huge shout out to J&M. Please do me a favor, hit their links in the description down below. Give them a follow on Instagram, check them out, let them know your man, the son of some man, sent you. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into these pickups. All right, so I did mention I have 2 of them. We got the Jordan 13 and the Jordan 4. We're gonna take a look at the Jordan 4 first. Remember, guys, we're gonna be doing a full detailed review come tomorrow, Friday. We got content coming, you know, for days on it. We're gonna keep it going. But we got these Air Jordan 4. Here we go, guys. We got the Air Jordan 4 Craft. Now, like I said, these are the ones I was, you know, talking about seeing pictures. These look so nice in pictures, man. So hard. Can't wait to, you know, take some flicks of these, man. These are really dope. Did you guys pick these up? Let me know in the comment section what you guys actually think of these. These are really nice. Didn't realize there was a leather upper either. Yeah. We're gonna do a full detailed review, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button, like I said, if you're not subscribed already. But yeah, these are really clean. Tuck those away. They come in like, you know, the regular box, but like I said, you're gonna check all that out on the full detailed review dropping tomorrow. All right, guys, let's take a look at, you know, what we came here for. Remember, J&M Sneakers, make sure you give them a follow on IG. But we got it here, guys, the Air Jordan 13 playoffs. These are fire, so fire. Never owned a pair. I'm gonna own a pair soon. These aren't my size, but we will be getting an on-foot review and a detailed review. Maybe if not tomorrow, Friday. I don't know which one I'm gonna drop first, the 4s or the 13s. You guys let me know in the comment section what you want to see. You want to see the 13s or you want to see the 4s? Let me know down below. And I got some fire pants from 8 and 9 that's gonna go perfect with these Jordan 13s. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to get this video out quick. You know, I just got home from work. It was a pretty busy day today. But yeah, stay tuned for the content coming in, you know, because it's coming in fast. Anyway, guys, like I said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you check out 8 and 9 as well. Links in the description. Some man to save 15% off on your purchase if you purchase anything from them. But guys, thank you guys so much. I really can't, you know, I really can't, you know, explain to you, you know, how much I appreciate you guys for tuning in, supporting. It really means the world. But until next time, guys, it's your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.